Here is how to transcribe WhatsApp voice messages to text. So first you'll need to open WhatsApp and then click on the three dots on the top right and then go to settings and then go to chats and then enable voice message transcripts, and then it will prompt you to choose a language. For example, I'm going to select English, then set up now, and that should start downloading an extra 130 megabytes update to support this feature. So just gonna wait for it. Now once the download is completed, we can go back and then go to the chat we want to transcribe. For example, I'm gonna open this chat here and then select a voice chat message. For example, I'm going to select this voice message here. You can either click on the transcribe there under the message here and it will start transcribing. You can also select the message like this and then click on three dots, then click on transcribe. You'll find it under here, and the message should be turned into text under the voice message you received. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.